Then we will discuss the question for chapter 8. I am Gongga Qian. My metric number is 25X970. I will present the question 3. What is the difference between civil and criminal fraud trials?
Then the answer for question 3 is the criminal case almost always allow for a trial by jury. Civil case do allow juries in some instances, but many civil case will be decided by a judge. Then the second, crime must generally be proved beyond a reasonable doubt, whereas civil cases are proved by lower standard of proof such as the preponderance of the evidence. And the third, in criminal case, must prove guilt. In civil case, just must show the defendant is liable for damage. And the third and the fourth, civil case generally only result in monetary damage. And the criminal case may involve both jail times and monetary punishment in the form of fines. And the last, a defendant in a criminal case is entitled to an attorney, and if they cannot afford one, the state must provide an attorney. Defendants in the civil case do not have the right to an attorney, so if they cannot afford one, they will have to represent themselves.
Hi, doctor. My name is Yu metric number 256568. I'm going to explain the question 12. What is the purpose of having a fraud investigator or another expert witness provided testimony in a trial? The purpose of having a fraud investigator or an accountant while providing testimony in a trial is to assist the lawyers, such that accurate information, correct evidence, appropriate reports are presented to the judge during the trial. The expert witness, with their experience, expertise, and qualification, prepares his respective point of view on the fraud case and presents to the jury. This ultimately helps the judge and the jury to provide fair and unbiased judgment to the victims. The facts presented by the expert witness.
Hi, doctor. My name is Miao Chen. Metric number is 256858. Next, I will explain the case 7 and question number 1. After being named as a defendant in a corporate fraud case, the XYZ accounting firm was found guilty of negligence and fined $25 billion. As a partner for the firm, what would you recommend as the next course of action? The answer is, as a partner of the firm, I would recommend to have a look at the XYZ accounting firm's guilt of negligence was appropriate or not. If there were enough authentic evidence across the XYZ firm of its negligence, then XYZ firm should be legally dealt with. It should be checked whether there has been any occurrence of such negligence that would affect my firm. Proper investigation should be done to ensure if there has been any negligence. Appropriate and legal help should be extended to XYZ firm in case there were enough evidence to appeal against the accusation charged. Every course of action should abide by law as and when applicable.
This question is as part of the preparation for a large financial statement fraud case. You issue a production request to say the other party's bank statements. When the statements are provided to you, some of them are only photocopies. The opposing party claims that the originals were accidentally destroyed. What could you do in this situation? If the original back statements are destroyed, I would request the other party to get the complete back statement from the bank. If it cannot be provided, it would be fraud, because if you cannot see the original back statement, there may be the possibility of data fraud, and the authenticity cannot be guaranteed.